Neck pain is a common issue that can affect people of all ages and lifestyles. Whether it's due to poor posture, muscle strain, or underlying health conditions, persistent neck pain can significantly hinder daily activities and overall quality of life. While traditional treatments include physical therapy and medications, incorporating certain foods into your diet can also provide relief. This article will explore some effective food remedies that may help alleviate neck pain. Understanding neck pain before diving into food remedies. It's essential to understand some common causes of neck pain. Poor posture, especially from prolonged periods of sitting or looking down at devices, can lead to muscle tension and discomfort. Additionally, stress and anxiety can contribute to tight muscles in the neck. Understanding these factors can help you choose the right foods to combat pain and inflammation. Anti-inflammatory foods. One of the best approaches to managing pain is to incorporate anti-inflammatory foods into your diet. Chronic inflammation can exacerbate pain, including in the neck area. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon, mackerel, and walnuts, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Including these foods in your meals can help reduce inflammation and improve joint health. Turmeric. Turmeric is a powerful spice that contains curcumin, a compound recognized for its anti-inflammatory effects. Adding turmeric to your meals can provide pain relief. You can use it in curries, soups, or even smoothies. For an added benefit, combine turmeric with black pepper, which enhances the absorption of curcumin in the body. Consider making a warm turmeric tea by mixing turmeric powder with hot water, lemon juice, and honey for a soothing drink. Ginger. Ginger is another excellent food remedy for reducing pain and inflammation. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its therapeutic properties. You can incorporate ginger into your diet by adding it to stir-fries, smoothies, or even drinking ginger tea. Simply steep fresh ginger slices in hot water, strain, and enjoy. Regular consumption of ginger may help alleviate discomfort associated with neck pain. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are packed with vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health. These greens are also rich in antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Including a variety of leafy greens in your diet can support overall health and may contribute to pain relief. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. They contain magnesium, which helps relax muscles and alleviate tension. Almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are particularly beneficial. Adding a handful of nuts or seeds to your daily snacks or incorporating them into your meals can provide essential nutrients that support muscle relaxation. Hydration. Staying hydrated is vital for overall health, including muscle function. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps and discomfort. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Herbal teas, such as chamomile or peppermint, can also provide hydration while offering calming effects, which may help reduce stress-related muscle tension. Conclusion. While food remedies alone may not completely eliminate neck pain, they can complement traditional treatments and promote overall well-being. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods, spices like turmeric and ginger, leafy greens, nuts, and adequate hydration into your diet can support muscle health and help alleviate discomfort. However, if neck pain persists or worsens, it's important to consult a healthcare professional for a comprehensive evaluation and treatment plan. Remember, a holistic approach that includes both diet and lifestyle changes can lead to better management of neck pain.